It's Billy from the Bronx. I'll be at Rooster T. Feathers on May 10th. I do say, Billy, where is this place? Where is this Rooster T. Feathers? I am Salvador, Charlie. And Billy, you forgot to say, it is in lovely Sunnyvale, California. Very beautiful there.
Hey, Billy, you forgot to ask if there was a cover charge or something like that, or is it free? Well, nothing's free in life.
The best thing about Rooster T. Feathers, they have the best wine collection and that beer.
Ja, Bier ist sehr gut in Rooster T. Feathers.
It's Charlie Chaplin. You know what? You got to go to Rooster T. Feathers. Es que es muy bueno cerveza.
Come out, we're going to have a gay old time.